Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter in a 2013 Chevy Cruze. Procedures will be similar for most Cruze models from 2011 to 2015, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the hood. Locate the air box on the passenger side of the engine bay and use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws around the outside of the lid. Move the hose at the front of the air box out of the way, detaching it if needed. This was not necessary on our Cruze. Now you should be able to lift the lid on the air filter housing and remove the old air filter. Clean any dust and debris from the inside air box before installing your new filter. Once the air box is clean inside, put your new filter into place, making sure it's properly seated all the way around. Lower the lid and reattach the hose at the front. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to secure the lid on the air box by tightening the fasteners. Close the hood, and that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you are not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we would be happy to recommend a professional shop or a certified auto repair service center in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. We'll see you again soon.